STLA was trending a couple of hours ago. It closed the session of Friday, the 6th of February 2026, with a loss of 22.64%. Volume was 93 million shares. 50-day average is usually around 14.1 million. The company will disclose its earnings outcomes on the 26th. So all of this is ahead of its earnings outcomes. So it was trending sharply lower after the automaker reviewed a major financial charge tied to underperforming EV programs and confirmed it is suspending its dividend as part of a broader strategic reset. Management acknowledged that prior assumptions around the pace and scale of EV adoption, particularly in certain key markets, proved overly optimistic, leading to excess capacity, elevated costs, and weaker than expected returns on recent investments. The announcement effectively signaled a pause and rethink moment for the company's electrification roadmap, as it looks to realign production, trim spending, and refocus capital toward programs with clearer profitability paths. The reaction has been swift and brutal. Shares sold off heavily, as you can see, as income-focused investors reacted to the loss of the dividend, while growth-oriented investors reassessed the company's ability to compete in an increasingly crowded and price-competitive EV landscape. Many in the community are voicing frustration, arguing that the company misread consumer demand, moved too aggressively into certain EV platforms, and is now paying the price for chasing volume ahead of sustainable margins. Some are also questioning leadership credibility, pointing to repeated strategy pivots and a lack of consistent execution. The underlying trend is pretty much neutral. It's underscored by its sloping, bearishly, if you like, sloping 200-day moving average. So this is the moving average. It was sloping before, it has now stabilized. So it's pretty much neutral. We don't exactly. Okay, we can just quickly have a look and find out what it's indicating. Yeah, we can find out here if it is not, if the value of its value, the price pressure momentum value, you can see it's bearish. So it's here, it's bearish. So it is the stock is showing a lot of weakness within a longer term bearish trend, bearish to neutral trend. Okay. So let's reapply the 10-day price pressure momentum one. It tells us what the 10-day moving average is doing. It's also severely bearish as well. Positions opened all the way back to 200 days ago, bearish. The ones opened 10 days ago equally at a loss as things stand right now. Though prices are expected to continue to print up till Wednesday the 11th. After that, there's a chance that the stock may go into a consolidation towards the 19th of March. The company will disclose its earnings outcomes on the 26th of February. Let's see what the algos are anticipating. 26th of February. Let's see. 26th. Okay, it's not expecting anything positive at all. It's actually saying that there might be a bounce before then, but outside that, before that, the earnings have come out. Its weakness is expected. So, but after that, it's more of a consolidation. So, all in all, this consolidation all the way towards the 20th of March. Projections are currently saying, let's see, 8.77. Yeah, 8.77 to the. It's an upper, slight upper projection. Let's see what it printed. Any intraday low. Yeah, 6.76. Was this yesterday? Yeah, it was yesterday. $6.76. Okay, so momentum is expected to continue to weaken as well, but is expected to pick up from. It's expected to pick up from. Let's see now, from the 19th. From the 20th of February, but it's yeah, from the 20th of February, but there's a misalignment here. Why the stock is decelerating is expected to contract. It's why the stock is expected to be in a contractive phase. The momentum is expected to pick up. Okay, we'll see how all of that will align. And let's see now. Previous projections we're indicating the highs of 11.57, 12.43, 12.96 what could possibly warrant the stock to retest those highs. Let's just quickly see what the market grid is going to give us in terms of possible prices. Let's see. Okay, the stock is traded way outside of its market grid. Let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. Okay, yeah, it has actually had a pivot as well. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, so it's at it closed at 7.38. So upper projections, high prices are ahead of 7.46. Any resistance in that regard? 7.46, nothing here. 7.46, 7.67, 7.88, 7.67, anything there? No, it's at 7.46. Okay, so there isn't very much resistance ahead, but we can have a look at the daily chart. 7.46, anything there? Let's see, nothing at all. So yeah, there's a chance it might print a rebound. It doesn't seem to have any staunch resistance ahead. Okay, yeah, just have a look and see what you make of STLA, and I will definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.